So for dinner tonight, I got a real treat for you guys. I am trying to attempt a new camping challenge, and I'm going to make fried chicken here at the campsite. I have this plastic container full of chicken that I've brined ahead of time. I have a couple bottles of canola oil. Got some milk and eggs. I'm going to make an egg wash. And then I have this flour, which is my own personal fried chicken breading mix. It's basically just flour with a bunch of spices in it. And I'm going to use these ingredients to coat the pieces of chicken, which is actually boneless, skinless chicken. It's not fried chicken like you'd have a whole piece of chicken with bones and stuff. And we're going to get to it. Should be interesting. Oh, and of course, wouldn't be a good southern meal without some collard greens. Got these canned collard greens. Put the mora to work real quick.
What are you doing, dude?
I'm making a little whisker.
You want a fork?
I'm just going to use this so I can toss it in the fire when I'm done with it.
Are you taking your oil out with you, or are you leaving it here?
I'm probably just going to burn it.
Okay.
Should be interesting.
Yeah.
It'll be fine. It'll burn up.
Everything burns.
Yep. Especially oil. I think I'm going to put this oil in first and then heat it up so that it kind of has a chance to come up to temp a little slowly. Okay, let's fire this up. Here goes nothing. Let's say that the ETA for fried chicken is not soon, but maybe within the hour. Although I have to be honest with you, I've never made campfire fried chicken before.
I don't know if anybody has.
You think I'm breaking new ground?
You still haven't made it yet, so we'll see if it's the first.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Attempted, yes. Made, never.
I've made this recipe in the kitchen before.
I have faith in you.
That oil's not hot enough.
No.
Starting to. That's how you know
Move
it's
it up
hot.
pretty high.
What's that?
You have it standing pretty tall over it.
Yeah, but I
You're a
don't
little scared to get too hot.
don't want to like burn it, you know.
Yeah.
Once it starts smoking, when the water sizzles, that's when you know it's hot enough.
Is that fried chicken also?
Yeah,
fried
I'm all
chicken.
done already.
Nice.
Fried, not deep
No, I
fried.
smelled
like
it though. It smelled good.
Danny, that looks amazing. Well, Danny, now I have to succeed. Showing me up.
In an hour and a half, Shane is going to have some awesome chicken.
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe an hour 45.
Maybe 2 hours. I mean,
Yeah, maybe 2 hours. You may be wondering why I'm wearing these black nitrile gloves, but it's just so I'm going to make such a mess with this that it makes it a little easier to clean
Problem
up
is I don't
afterwards. All right, so here goes nothing. We're going to try this. Okay. Chicken. Flour. Egg wash. More flour. And into the hot oil.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, that's good. That's cooking good. That's how I want it.
That's camp fire fried chicken.
Camp fried chicken. I guess it's not quite campfire because I'm not cooking it over the campfire. I am using a stove. I could do this over the fire, but
I
the
think it counts, Shane.
stove just makes it a little easier. And repeat. Just got to get this chicken in a good position here. There we go. I think we're going to have to do 2 batches because this is a little crowded in here. All right, I'm going to try Dan's fried chicken.
Oh, really?
Oh. Danny, you don't mess around, my friend. Oh, that's good breading.
How long are you going to fry that for?
So it's done?
Yeah, probably be in there like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that. So I found that the chicken wasn't cooking quite fast enough, so I moved it to this lower burner. It needed the more intense fire. I had it on the simmer station because I was afraid it would like get too hot and start smoking, which it might have when it was empty, but now that I had all that chicken in there, it's like a lot of thermal mass. What do you think, Andy? This might need to be its own video, Danny. I just need to make a YouTube video that says fried chicken while camping.
Yeah, I will say that was a bit adventurous.
All right, I think it's done, dude.
Yeah, I'd be comfortable calling that done. I mean, if you want to pop one open.
Take a look at the meat.
Yeah.
Got.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's good fried chicken right there, folks. We're gonna give it the taste test. All right, we're pulling it out. It is ready. So, if you guys want to eat some fried chicken, yeah, you have to.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
That's a lot of chicken. You know, I was actually afraid this wasn't gonna be enough. Gotta keep these guys moving. I think I probably should have added a little oil in between rounds.
Well, I'll have to grab one of these, brother, huh?
Yeah, go for it, JP.
Let me know, too, when you're ready to clean up.
Cool.
I think it turned out very good. Like flavor, but rich.
I got barbecue sauce, too.
Yeah, man. I think that would just take away from the flavor.
Oh, yeah. Let me get a little piece of that.
Yeah, man. But
The brine is good. It's like salty, but kind of salty in a good way. This is extra crispy. It's fried chicken here.
Ready? Hot? Are you gonna burn your face off?
I think I pulled it off. Didn't turn out too bad. Campfire fried chicken. Or camping fried chicken. It wasn't made over the campfire. You know what else, too? If you guys have a plate, I have collard greens.
Hey.
Have some collard greens. Eat your veggies, guys.
I don't know if I can do the collard greens.
I'll do them. They're good. Jim, let's see the finished product. Pulled pork.
This is actually southwestern pulled pork, so there's a little bit of chilies. There's green chilies in there, and lots of onion.
Oh, yeah. You can't go wrong.
Move in on your fried chicken.
No, please do, man. That's the beauty of it. It's all like communal, you know? We're all cooking different food.
Like, I had some really good steak and some really good chicken already. And great chicken two ways, actually.
Mm-hmm. Man, look at that meal. Fried chicken, pulled pork, and collard greens.
Oh, nice.
Living
That's
good.
the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Actually goes well together.
Yeah. As soon as that second round of fried chicken goes up, I'm gonna kill the stove, chill, and eat my dinner. Needed to add another piece of fried chicken. All right, guys, I'm gonna chill, have my dinner, have a beer, hang out with my friends, enjoy this fire. Cheers. Man, what a freaking mess. Got a bit to clean up here.